Hi, welcome to Mary's Math Club. Middle term factorization. From this name, we can understand that we will give special attention on the term which is middle of the polynomial. But how we will understand that which term will be the middle term of the polynomial? But how we will understand which term is middle of the polynomial? In this reason, we will arrange the polynomial according to the descending order of the power of the variable. Descending order of the power of the variable. Suppose the variable is 2x square plus 5x plus 3. See here, x square, the power is 2, means variable power is 2. Here the variable x power is 1 and here the variable power is actually 0, because x to the power 0, anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. That means we already arranged it according to the descending order of the power of the variable. And after this arrangement, only this term is the middle term. This term is coming at the middle of the polynomial. So we will say this is middle term. And now we have to work on this term. Now I am taking first a general polynomial. Suppose ax square plus bx plus c. Now look at here. The highest power term coefficient is a, and the middle term coefficient is b, and the term which power is just next to the middle term power is c, coefficient is c. So these three coefficients, so here x is a variable, and a, b, c, these three are coefficient of three different terms. This coefficient may be numeric, may be alphanumeric. It doesn't matter. This coefficient may be numeric, may be alphanumeric. It does not matter. Now a, b, c are coefficient. It doesn't matter whether it is numeric or alphanumeric. But we have to find out a into c, the product of a into c. Suppose it is p. This p we will split into two factors. This p we will split into two factors such that, suppose this is a p and we are factoring p is equal to, I am writing f1, one factor, and another factor is f2. But here is a point. This p, product of the two coefficients a and c, we are writing in a factorizing, and we are writing in two factors, only two factors, f1 and f2. Maybe p has, there is lots of factors, but we will write just into two factors such that f1 into f2 is equal to p. And another most important thing is that f1 plus minus f2, f1 plus minus f2 will be equal to b. b means what is the coefficient of the middle term. So f1 plus minus f2 is equal to b, which is the coefficient of the middle term. Now the question is here that what operation we will do, plus or minus. We already find out that p has two factors. We have to split the p means into two factors such that these two factors product will be p. So f1 into f2 is equal to p. There is no doubt. But doubt is here. f1 plus minus f2 is equal to b. So which operation we will do? this plus or minus? Which operation we will do? In this answer will be that for this answer we will look at the sign which is between the middle term factor and the factor whose and the factor where the terms. Now the question is which factor we will take. Now the question is which operation we will work with, plus or minus, because here it has written plus minus. The answer of this question is we will look at the sign, we will look at the operation which is in between the middle term, means this one, and the term which has the next lower power variable of the middle term. Means the middle term variable's power is 1. So we will look for the term which term has the just next below power from this. Means here it is 1, that's why when we will look for the next term, that it should be the x to the power 0. So these terms between sign we will look at. Here this sign is plus, so we will do plus. If there will be minus, then we will do here minus. That's why in general I have written here like this way, that f1 plus minus f2 will be equal to b. Is the coefficient of the highest term. So now 3 is a coefficient of highest power term and 8 is here c. So according to this we will do a into c. If it is a, then this is c. So 3 into 8, this product 3 into 8, this product we have to split into 2 factors, only 2 factors, such that after addition, because here the sign is addition, as the sign is here addition, so we will take the addition operation, that after addition that factor of 2 factor of this 24 will be equal to minus 10. So now see 24, how we can split 24? One has already given 3 into 8. Another way is 2 into 12, we can do this. Another one is 6 into 4, this is 2 into 12. And 6 into 4, we can do this also, because 24 and one has given here. Now the question is which one we will take. The question is which one we will take. But before that, one thing I am saying again, that 24 means there will be lots of factors, because we can split it like this, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. We can write it like that way. Here the number of factors is 1, 2, 3, 4. But we will not take lots of factors. We have to take just only 2 factors. That's why I am splitting with 2 factors. Just 2 factors, not this one. 2 factors, only 2 factors. So we have to work with this. 3, I have to do plus addition, because as their sign is plus. So 3 plus 8 is 11, not matching with this. 2 plus 12, this will give 14. 14 is not matching with this. But 6 plus 4, which will gives us 10. So these factors will work here. So this factor will work here. 6 into, when we will split the 24 into 6 into 4, and whenever we will do these 2 factors, this is suppose f1 and this is suppose f2. Then f1 plus f2 is equal to giving is 10, which is equal to the coefficient of the middle term. So we will take this one. So it will be like this, 3a square minus, instead of 10 I am writing 6 plus 4, a plus 8. and now 3a square minus 6a minus 4a plus 8. Now is equal to here 3a is common for both the two terms. So I am taking common as 3a and there is a minus 2. And just like that way, from here I can take common as 4. 4 is the common factor here for both the two terms and I am taking minus sign outside. So it will be minus 4 into a minus 2. So ultimately I am getting a minus 2. I am taking as common because a minus 2 is common in both the terms. This a minus 2 is common in both the terms. So a minus 2 and rest is 3a from the first term and minus 4 from the second term. So our answer is a minus 2 into 3a minus 4. So factorization done. So factorization done. And we did it in the middle term factor. Because on the basis of the middle term coefficient, we did all the things. Example. Now another example we will work with this. 6y square plus y minus 12. 6y square plus y minus 12. So here a is 6, b is 1 and c is minus 12. So we will just take the numeric value first, not the sign. So a is 6 and c is 12. So product of a and c means it will be product of 6 and 12 is equal to 72. Now we have to split these 72 into two factors only such that these factors plus minus this such that when we will subtract this factor between this factor, then we will get the coefficient of y. Here the coefficient of y means b is equal to 1. Now I am factorizing 72. 72 means 3 into 24, 2 into 36, 4 into 18, 6 into 12, whatever we got it from here. Then 8 into 9. So many factors are here. So many combinations of factors. But which one we will take? First, we have to decide how we will do one, how we have to get one. Minus. Because here the sign is minus. So we have to do the operation is between these, a combination of these any two factors is subtraction. So now we are doing 24 minus 3, it is not working. 36 minus 2, it's not working. 18 minus 4, it's not working. 12 minus 6, not working. 9 minus 8, working. Because 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. So instead of here the coefficient 1, we can write 9 minus 8. So we are writing here 6y square plus, instead of this 1, coefficient 1, we are writing 9 minus 8y minus 12. So instead of the coefficient 1 in the middle term, we are writing 9 minus 8. And so ultimately we are getting 4 terms. That's our 6y square plus 9y minus 8y minus 12. Now from the first two terms, we are taking the common factor. Here the highest common factor will get that y in both the cases and 3. So I am taking 3y as a common factor, and then from the first term I am getting 2y plus 3 from the second term, and from here I am taking 8y minus 8y minus 12. So I am taking minus 4 as a common factor. So I am taking minus 4 as a common factor. Then here I am getting 2y, and this is plus 3 from the fourth factor. Fourth factor, fourth term. So now it will be 2y plus 3. Both the cases, in both the term, now it is just only two terms, first term and second term, and for both the term 2y plus 3 is common. So I am taking it as a common factor, 2y plus 3, 2y plus 3 as a common factor, and then in first term it will be 3y, and in the second term it will be just 4. So after factorization, middle term factorization, this polynomial 6y square plus y minus 12, we are getting 2y plus 3 into 3y minus 4. Now the last factorization, last but not least, that is t square minus 3t plus 2. T square minus 3t plus 2. So here it is very clearly that the coefficient of the highest power term, is 1. So here, according to that, a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 3. I am taking just the numeric value, not the sign, and c is equal to 2. So a into c, product is 2, and with this 2, product of 2, I have to make it such a way, either plus minus, that it will be equal to the coefficient of the middle term. It will be equal to the coefficient of middle term. So here a into c, so here a into c is equal to 2, just 2, and I have to factorize this 2 such a way that it will give, but 2 is a prime number, so it has only one factorization, 2 into 1. So 2 into 1, and see the operation will be here addition, as it has given that it has a plus sign. So I am writing here t square minus 2 plus 1 is 3. So I am writing 2 plus 1 into 2 t plus 2. So t square minus 2 plus 1 t, 2 plus 1, I am writing instead of this 3 plus 2 is equal to t square minus 2t minus t plus 2. So here only t is common, I am taking t, so t minus 2, and here nothing is common, but yes, one thing is common, because everywhere is 1, so I can take 1 as a common factor. So I am taking 1 as a common factor and minus 1, then it will be t, and here it will be minus, so minus 2. And now see, in both the cases, t minus 2, the term t minus 2 is common. T minus 2 is common factor. So I am taking it as a common, and then I am getting t minus 2 into t minus 1. So whether the highest power term coefficient is 1, it doesn't matter. Just we will follow our rule. And so today up to this for middle term factor, and it is very easy process and very easy way to get factorization, and sometimes it's also required to do in the case of solving equation also. Please subscribe my channel to get more videos from me. Bye.